Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong June 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Sagittarius. What's the energy for you? What's the energy for you? Sagittarius. Ngayong June 2026. Mindfulness. Oh, ito yung pagkakaroon ng awareness. And kumbaga alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo. You have the intention. Intentional, okay? Mas magiging intentional ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Hindi lang yung, kumbaga mas magiging strategic ka. Release. O meron kang i-let go. Something that is no longer serving you. Number 9 is about culmination, ending. Okay? So you are releasing something that is holding you back. Pumipigil sa'yo, no, na magawa ang gusto mo. You are releasing that. Oy, may triumph. Oh, talaga naman. 444. This is about success. Meron kang magiging successful na, let's say, successful career, successful project, successful relationship ngayong June. And I think that is because you will focus your attention dito sa aspeto ng buhay mo, no, na ito yung gusto mo na mag-work for you. Yung iba sa inyo kung kayo laging puyat, kulang sa tulog, I feel like ngayong June, you will catch up sa pagtulog. And you might feel na kahit na ayaw mo matulog, aantukin ka talaga at I feel like you will have longer sleep. Oo, ngayong June. Kasi parang yun yung katawan mo na talaga yung magko-control ng tulog mo. Nahihingin talaga yun ng katawan mo sa sarili mo. Okay, what's your overall energy? You have the Page of Pentacles. Oh, this is learning. So, if you are someone na mahilig sa business or, kung naghahanap ka ng source of income, so ngayong June, you will be presented with a lot of opportunities. Pero kailangan mo siyang aralin ha. Hindi siya yung tipong ibibigay na lang sa'yo, ayan, opportunity na. You need to do something about it. So, yung iba, pwede magsisimula kayo ng business opportunity. Now, your challenge is the Hierophant. As a challenge, pwedeng, yung the way of learning, no? Siyempre, kung kayo ay may pag-aaralan, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng challenging situation sa kung sino man yung coach ninyo, yung teacher ninyo. Pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict with the belief system or kung ano yung pinipresenta sa'yo. But this is also an opportunity rin for you na i-challenge mo yung sarili mo kung hanggang saan pa yung kaya mong matutunan. Oo. Kasi hindi naman porket yun ang pinipresenta sa'yo, tatanggapin mo na. You have to validate that first. Kumbaga, let's say for example, ChatGPT or anything AI information. Hindi mo naman agad iti-take yung information ng AI, kung ano sinasabi sa'yo. You have to fact check it, di ba? Kailangan tingnan mo muna, may katotohanan ba? Ano yung resources nun? Oo. Para kung ano yung matututunan mo, yun talaga yung legit. Kasi meron siyang references. Hindi mali-mali yung mga information. Okay, let's see your opportunity. The Fool. Oh, you have the opportunity to take a risk. This is taking a leap of faith. I also see na mas magiging malakas yung instinct mo, intuition mo ngayong June, kasi you feel like, oh, it's time to take that step. Oo, na although hindi porket magte-take ka ng step at magte-take ka ng risk, eh wala ka ng preparation na gagawin. So, this is about well-calculated risk. Let's say, for example, magnenegosyo ka. Magte-take ka ng risk sa pagnenegosyo, but alam mo sa sarili mo na pag-aaralan mo rin kung ano yung papasukan mong negosyo. Hindi yung parang na pikit mata na, okay, gusto ko tong negosyo na to, that's it, but wala kang alam tungkol doon. So, this is about you na mas nagiging ano ka, open sa change. Oo, mas rebellious yung energy mo. What is your blessing? The Seven of Wands, self-defense. I think mas magiging paninindigan ka rito. Maninindigan ka sa gusto mo. Even if may mga taong nagtatry na kumontra or kumbaga parang hilain ka bababa or people who will try to bring you down, 'di ba? Na i-discourage ka, lalo na kung itong sisimulan mo ay major change sa buhay mo. So, minsan parang iisipin ng ibang tao sa paligid mo na, bakit niya gagawin yun? Ay, hirap dun eh. Pero you know yourself better, di ba? Alam mo, kilala mo yung sarili mo. So, ikaw yung makakaalam kung kaya mo talaga yan. Tsaka tinan nyo, meron ditong triumph, tagumpay. Sinasabi na sa inyo kayo magtatagumpay. Kaya i-release yung mga doubts nyo sa sarili nyo, 'di ba? And maging mindful ka rin sa mga actions na ginagawa mo. It has to be aligned doon sa mga goals mo. Ayan. You will also nurture yourself, nurture your family. May mga pangangalagaan ka rin, no? Maaring kakailanganin ka sa bahay nyo, sa family nyo. You need to take care of someone. You also have transform. Okay, this is change. This is a new beginning for you. And growth. Wow. So growth, 'di ba? Yung growth, hindi naman yun nangyayari kapag walang naging pagbabago. So something has it means na kapag nag-grow ka, ibig sabihin may nagbabago sa iyo. Kasi kung hindi ka nag-grow, wala nagbabago, 'di ba? Oo. So some of you, this can be related rin sa home life, family life ninyo. Pwedeng lilipat kayo ng bahay or may mga ipapagawa ka sa bahay nyo, like renovation. Thorns, weave together the crown you deserve. Wow. So this is about collaboration, working with others. Na ito yung, kumbaga yung mga tao lang na alam mong supportive sa'yo, sila yung hahayaan mo na tumulong sa'yo at maging kasama mo dito sa journey na to na sinisimulan mo. Kaya rin malakas ang loob mo kasi you are being backed up. Binaback upan ka ng mga taong naniniwala rin sa kakayanan mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.